Hi everyone, I'm Peter here. Today I'm gonna do an open box of a universal pistol rear sight adjustment tool. I'm not sure why is it only for rear sight and why we may not be able to use it for the front sight or what. I'm not sure about that yet, okay? So this one is from the NC Star. Actually I saw another exact same item. I shouldn't say that exact same item, but very similar item under another brand. I forgot what is the other brand is, but the reason I picked this NC Star because in the description it specify clearly what comes with it. Okay, so it specify clearly what are in the box. So I want to make sure it had everything that it say it has. Why the other brand doesn't have much of the description, and that's the reason why I'm not pick that one. Okay, I actually picked that one and then I cancel it and then I buy this one instead. So if you any of you are selling stuff on the website, make sure that you put description clearly, explain exactly what are in the package, what are in the box, so that affect people like me. Okay, so this one, yeah, and I think it is the item number C here. I said, adjustable top brace with plastic insert to secure slight vertical placement on, actually not, it's a side brace, yeah. Adjustable side brace with plastic insert to secure the slight horizontal placement on the base platform include 2 sets of side plastic insert. This is the exact information. This is the information that I told you that this brand specify that it has it, but the other brand doesn't specify, so I picked this one. Okay, let's take a look what is inside. Okay, so there is no tape or nothing, so just interlockable. Oh, nice. I didn't expect that it will come with a vinyl bag. That's nice. Okay, so it's come with a vinyl bag. Okay, let's take a look. Wisdom. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but maybe Wisdom or Wisdom. Multifunction wise. I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, nice. It's come with a foam template to keep things in place. I think these are the plastic side bracket. Okay, okay, it's good. I think it's like a solid plastic, and then it's not elastic. This is what we are looking for. For example, if you use a visor or the vise like a metal, you might want to find something that is softer than your slide to put between the metal and your slide, right? Because you don't want to scratch your slide. And in order to do that, you have to find something that is solid but softer than your slide. For example, it could be aluminum or L-shaped aluminum, thing like that. Yeah, this one doesn't come with aluminum, but it comes with the plastic. It's probably usable. Yeah, it should work. Okay, what is this? Okay, I'm not sure. Maybe for the bottom. Yeah, it doesn't come with any instruction, but we may not need one. We can take a look from the picture. We can take a look from the pictures. It shouldn't have anything, make sure that we protect the slide with the two sides of the plastic, and the bottom, which is already, oh yeah, the bottom part is a metal, but there shouldn't be a lot of force pushing the slide against the bottom. But anyway, actually this is the instruction. Yeah, work with many types of semi-auto pistol, slides. Yeah. Remove adjustable window of dovetail right side of more semi-automatic. Heavy duty blue anodized. Include one bottom spacer. Okay, yeah. So this must be the bottom spacer. For some pocket pistol slide for proper height. Okay, makes sense. Adjustable side brace. Yep, plastic insert. Yeah, I think that come with the two set of the plastic insert. Depend on the shape of your slide. You might want to put a different shape of the plastic insert here. Adjustable top brace with plastic insert. 90-degree and 30-degree left side profile. Okay, I noticed one thing. Okay, it's a heavy piece of metal. Yeah. One thing that I noticed here is it's like a curve a little bit here. Not that. Even though, however, I'm gonna put some oil, of course, but it's not that smooth. I tell you, okay. There might be something off a little bit. That's why you know that it's kind of stuck here. You see, but it's kind of free here, and then it kind of stuck here. Okay, I try to show you with the same force. This is the same force, and then it's gonna stuck here. So I have to put harder here, harder here, harder here, and harder here too. Yep. So if it off a little bit, I think that's why it not fall freely. And this is simple, just lock. Okay, this is a lock. Yep. Yeah. So, and you see the force they're gonna put on your side, and the lock they're gonna lock your slide is on the same line. That's good. Anyway, I like it in a way that it's on the same line here. I think this is to lock vertically, to lock your slide, so you can lock both way. You have to lock both way. I guess lock the side and lock horizontally and lock vertically. Okay. You can go behind. I use the tool to replace my red sight on the 6-hour P229. If you would like to see the video, please do so. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you may. Thank you so much. Bye.